In this guide, I'll show you how to delete saved game data on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is go to System Settings in the bottom right. Then once you're here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to Data Management. Now we're going to scroll over and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And once you're here, we're going to go to Delete Saved Data. Now once you select this, it's going to show the games that you have saved data for. I'm going to go ahead and select Super Mario Party. And it's going to ask delete saved data for Chad on this account, or you can go to delete all saved data for this software. I'm just going to select this account. If you want to delete it for everything, select that option, and we're going to select it, and it's going to say deleted data cannot be recovered. Delete this data, and I'm going to go to delete saved data. Now this should only take a few moments, and it's successfully been deleted. So I'm going to press OK, and if you want to delete anything else, you can select it here as well. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.